William here from Autoshop Solutions. We are an automotive marketing agency specializing in websites and digital marketing solutions. Today, we're here to discuss why your website's landing pages matter. Landing pages are great for showing users what your business is or what products or services you provide. Search engines like Google also use them to drive the algorithm and help deliver relevant search results to those searching for them. This applies to both organic search and paid search advertisements. Let's say your shop wants to get more transmission repair work. It's possible that someone searching on Google for transmission repair in your area may still find your business organically. Still, the odds will be much higher if your website contains content about transmission repair. Bid amount and quality score contribute to your ad's rank. One of the contributors to a good quality score is landing page experience. When search engines like Google crawl your web page and find content that matches your ad, it counts towards a good landing page experience, thus improving your quality score and ad rank. The same applies to paid search advertising. The ad with the highest ad rank will show first, but the cost will be determined by how much the second highest bidder will pay. Since bid amount is also a factor in determining ad rank, a relevant landing page that boosts quality score can lead to a lower cost per click on your ads. We recommend a landing page for any products or services you are trying to promote to ensure the best chances of being found online at the lowest cost to your business. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more or have a question you would like us to feature in an upcoming Autoshop Academy video? Please submit your ideas through the link below or by emailing our team. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.